Hi guys, so some people were asking about more explanation for some of the problems. So here's number one from your work for today. If you notice, as you look through these multiplication problems, there are things that you can cancel out. And if you can cancel out an entire binomial like this k plus 6 and this other k plus 6, they will disappear. All right, so those are gone. So then these other problems like k plus 3 and the k plus 3, these are also gone. So you're left with just these three pieces left. But k minus 3 and k minus 3, these also cancel out, which leaves you with just this 10k. All right, so if you have that 10k left, then your answer will be C for the first one. That's how it works. So look for these factors that will cancel out. And it doesn't matter the order that they cancel out, just the fact that one is on the top and one is on the bottom. One is on the top, one is on the bottom. They could be vertically here, or they could also be diagonally here. All right, so hopefully that makes more sense and explains this a little bit better. Thanks.